What's up, guys? This is Nick up here at Maple Motors, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on a 2009 Dodge Challenger. It has done nothing but rain here all day. It's been very hard for me to get videos. I actually have chamoised this car off multiple times. There's our chamois back there. But we're going to go ahead and do the video anyways. This is a 5.7 HEMI motor. The car is actually in pretty good shape. We're gonna go around any flaws that I see, and I'm gonna point out. Sorry again about the car being wet, but it's not a whole lot I can do. I went ahead and opened the trunk up. I noticed one thing that kind of sucks about the car. I had to climb through the back seat and pull this lever to open the trunk. I guess the electronic mechanism has went out and it's not working with the remote anymore. But still, it's got a pretty cool looking hood on it, or at least I think it does. Runs and drives very good. Around 140,000 miles. I'm gonna start up in the front up here, and we're gonna go all the way around the car. If I see any flaws, you're gonna know about them. It's like a little smudge there on the bumper. Probably be buffed out. Car's got a good stance. Nice set of wheels and tires on it. I will be shutting the hood before the end of the video. Let y'all check that out. It lines up great. Not a lot of paint flaws on this one. There's a scratch right here in the back. Looks like it could be buffed out as well. It doesn't seem like it's in the paint, so. Dual exhaust. The exhaust sounds great on this car too. Getting in the jams, looks pretty good. I guess somebody tried to repair the trunk. Go ahead and shut it back down. It's pretty nice up in here. Does shut easily. Little spot in the paint right there. Decent tread on the tires. Stripe's been repaired or something there. You see how it's not perfect. Like some haziness at the bottom of the doors. All right, made it around the car now. Let's go ahead and check the interior out. Seats definitely showing signs of wear. I notice this handle here is not it doesn't lift the seat forward like I thought it did. It actually moves in your back there. Headliner's in good shape. Yeah, the trunk button wouldn't work. It said that mechanism's out. See if we can get the mileage to pop up. Full change required. Have to give me a second. I'm not up to date on this one. I don't own many Challengers. There it is, 144,000 miles. Nice and roomy in here. Dash looks pretty good. Definitely got an aggressive sound. Everything seems to work. Go ahead and roll the window down so the keys don't get locked in here. Motor's nice and quiet. Go ahead and shut the hood now. Kind of peek underneath all the way around. I'm gonna start up here in the front, driver's side, rear, and passenger, just to give you an idea what it looks like underneath. I've also got 100 detailed pictures on my website you can see. Alright guys, well, rain's been about steady this whole time. We're going to do a test drive in this here in a moment. I'll link it to the end of this video so that you can easily access it. If you're interested, please check out maplemotors.com for more information. We've also got close to 100 pictures of every one of our cars. So we are a classic car dealership. Every once in a while we get some of the new stuff. We get to play with it too. Check it out. But you can check us out online at maplemotors.com. See all of our inventory. And we do get about 10 cars a week. We also have finance information, shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. If you like this video, I post every single day. Hit that subscribe button for more content. Thanks again for watching, guys. Y'all be safe out there.